Hey guys, Devin here, Airstream Buffalo. I'm going to do a quick little tour on the outside and the inside of this brand new 2026 Airstream Classic. It is going to be a 30 RB, so that's a 30-foot rear bed. I do have this one in queen. I think you guys are really going to like it, so follow me, check it out. First things first, entry door. You're going to notice you do have lighting right over the top of the entry door, as well as a gutter to keep all of that water and moisture away from your entry door. Coming down the side, on the Classic, you are going to have power for your stabilizer jacks, so that's an easy way to extend and retract those. Further down, you're going to have a little bit of external power right there. LED side markers. You do have a dual axle, complete power awning. That is going to be Sunbrella fabric under the Carefree power awning system. Nice little Classic badging and emblem right there. Check out this gigantic window as well. You have plenty of natural airflow that's going to go through the bedroom. We'll talk a little bit more about that when we get inside. Around the back, you do have your window awnings. You do have your storage in the bumper itself there. So this is wet storage. Obviously, that's where you're going to keep all the things that you don't mind getting wet. If you want to keep things dry, they go right in here. You do have kind of customizable, deeper storage under there. This is under the bed itself. So you got a ridiculous amount of storage in there. I like that storage is lighted up too, so you're never having to dig through it at night. You have the light under there. You do have your Airstream billet aluminum rear tail light housings. Something really cool that Airstream did with all of their 2026 models, they upgraded the housing for the rear camera. So give me a second, I'm going to show you what they did here. It's pretty cool. It used to be just a part that was kind of put onto the trailer, and it worked, it did its job, but now we have this billet aluminum rear view camera housing. It just looks clean, it's sleek, it's aerodynamic, it keeps in line what Airstream does, right? Don't make changes, make improvements. I think that's a great improvement, 2026. Coming down this side here, again, this side is going to be where most of your non-campsite is, right? So window awning package, awning over each and every single window that's going to open up. It will have the rain gutters over the windows as well. But look at how much these windows open up, right? You're going to have crazy amounts of air coming through. As we move down, you're going to have, obviously, your black tank and your fresh water right there. Nice way to screw that in. So you flush out the black tank. That's where you're going to fill city water inlet. If you're filling up your tanks itself, this is where you put your fresh water in there. Moving down the side, again, outdoor shower. Smart plug for your power. You also have Ethernet as well as cable hookups right there for when you're at the campground. Another thing that people are always wondering about is where I'm putting the poo slinky, your sewage hose. You do have storage for the sewage hose right under there. Moving around the front, you're going to have, of course, your stainless steel rock guards. You're going to have your composite material for your rock guards. You're going to have two 30-pound tanks up front. You're going to have a light power as well on your tongue jack. Very easy to use and operate right there. Level on the tongue jack as well. Let's take a peek on the inside. Again, really quick and simple going around the outside and on the inside. As we come in, you're going to first step into the living area. I do have, these cabinets opened up top just to kind of show you how much storage you're going to get right here in the living area, okay? With the 30 RB, you're going to have a front living. This sofa is going to be powered. It's going to be a bed as well as recliners. So as you're kind of sitting here, the TV's right ahead of you. Just a side note real quick, this material is so soft. The comfortability of everything in here is unmatched. But like I said, you have power footrest on here. So it's a very comfortable seating area. You do have your radiated heat right next to it with the Aldi system. Like this is going to be one of the most spacious living areas that Airstream has to offer. And being in the Classic, you're going to have all of the options available to you, right? They don't have a whole lot of options. You have a lot of stuff that comes standard. And with the Classic, almost everything is going to be top of the line, okay? Moving on back into the kitchenette area. So extendable counter, very deep sink with matching countertop inserts. So crazy deep sink. You do have a fully extendable, adjustable faucet there. Put those back into place for now. As you're cooking, this one, we do have it with your convection oven, as well as the contour cooktop, right? That is going to come in the Classic. It is the top of the line when it comes to travel trailers and RVs when it comes to their cooktop. This is going to be a residential cooktop. Up top, you do have a fan that vents right to the outside. Overhead storage as well. Look at all of that storage, right? Insane. Absolutely insane. And those are going to be on the Bloom hinges, so it's a soft close hinge. You're not slamming anything. You're not going to have anything, you know, kind of just making a whole lot of noise as you're living in here. It's a very quiet space. It's very comfortable for you and the family. Over here, over the dining area, more storage. You do have your Bluetooth. You have FM and AM radio on here. You have your power controls for your dinette table. So the table, instead of dropping it down manually, it just comes right on down. That will turn into a bed. When you're traveling, just have it all the way down. It just makes it a little bit easier and safer for the longevity of the table and your travel trailer. You get the idea. As we move further back, we are now going to kind of enter into the master suite of the trailer itself. So right here, you are going to have a cedar lined closet. Right now there's a little bit of stuff in there that comes from the factory, but cedar wood lined closet. You have a huge hanging bar, carpeted underneath as well. Before I forget to show you the massive fridge on here, right? So that's the fridge itself. Crazy large 12 volt. That is going to be the Norcold fridge and freezer combo. Last thing in the kitchen is your pantry and your spice rack. Now all of the cabinetry in here is going to be Italian light ply, like everything else that Airstream does. It's going to be 25% lighter than your traditional plywood that you're going to get at the big box stores. What that means for you. So you're going to be at 77.25 dry weight with the ability to have 2,275 pounds on the inside, bringing you to a total of 10,000 pounds. So even though we are in a large trailer, you're still going to have plenty of room to bring all the stuff that you're going to be living with or camping with. Moving further back, we are going to step into the bathroom area itself. I'm just going to open this door and kind of show you guys the shower itself. So I'm 6 foot. I've lost a little bit of weight, but I'm still above 200 pounds. I can comfortably be in here. It has a seat for anybody that wants to just, you know, be able to shave your legs. If you're, you know, just handy capable, but still want to be able to sit down in the shower and use the shower, that's a really great option. And it's a usable shower. Coming back into the bedroom, before we come in and talk into the bedroom, come on over here. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom itself. This bathroom is amazing. Okay, inside the bathroom, you're gonna have a ridiculous amount of room. One full body mirror right here, another mirror right in front of you on the wall. Very large sink itself. You do have some customizable shelving in here, so you'll be able to pick, you know, the height of the shelving that you want in there for all of your toiletries. Underneath the sink, all of this extra storage as well. The Classic is really designed to be able to live out of, so full-time use. It's going to give you everything that you need. Again, more storage, heated towel rack, hanging rack for towel, hanging rack for your hand towel as well next to this side of the door. You do have a little bit of a hamper right there as well for all your dirty clothes. Toilet paper as well. Now this is going to be a porcelain toilet, of course. But yeah, really quick tour of the bathroom itself. On-demand hot water, the whole 9 yards with that. In the bedroom, again, this is going to be one of the queen models, okay? So right now, I have the bed all the way up in its transitional form. It is a powered bed. So as you want to go to bed, once you're inside, you bring it down, it'll extend out. But daytime, when you're, up and moving around and walking around and you want some extra space, bring it all the way up. You'll have a walking space around the foot of the bed there. You're gonna have a couple different areas to control that. One, obviously there, one on the wall right here above the television, right? So controls right there. All analog switches when it comes to how you're controlling your lights. So like your reading lights, your accent lights are all right there. Very nice, very sleek, very sharp. Whole lot of storage under the nightstands as well. Little remote right there for you. As well as some deeper storage. And again, right next to the radiator heat, that's going to be the Aldi system. That is going to be hydronic heating. So just glycol-based solution as opposed to using a propane furnace. You're getting a wall of warm air that comes up and follows the curve of the inside of the Airstream. While we're back here, I do want to talk about one extra thing. Airstream did something really cool this year. They completely redesigned all of the air conditioning outlets. So it's much more user-friendly than the previous years. Again, this is 2026. So it is omnidirectional. You can control exactly where you want to go. But inside the vent, I do want to show you. Let's find a vent that I can actually get on camera for you guys. So look up in this vent right here. Okay, inside the vent itself, you have, gigantic openings. You can control how much air is coming out, and then you can control where you want that air to flow. Super cool. I know this was a really quick rundown and tour of this. If you have any questions or you want to see more or have something specific that you want to talk about, feel free to reach out to me. My personal cell phone number is 716-748-5565. Don't call me after 10 o'clock. I'm here on the East Coast. I'm not going to answer. Just shoot me a text. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching the video. Again, Devin here, Airstream Buffalo.